A very important concept that you must and must remember is 1% better. Now, this 1% better mindset is a mindset that would actually compound your small gains. बूंद बूंद से घड़ा भरता है, every drop fills the pot, and that is how you continuously improve yourself. So understand this with a simple graphic here, and this graphic actually helps you understand the lines that you can see here. So if you are doing 1% better every day, that would create an exponential increase over the years. However, if you are doing 1% worse every day, that would actually have an impact onto you, but that would not be that compounding impact as a 1% better. Now, that regression, as you can see here, would be very gentle in the case of worse effort. However, in the case of better effort, it would lead to a compounding response. So small steps would lead to a giant gain, and that is a simple approach that you have to follow to achieve your targets. Now, what is the process to do this? First is to identify the priority areas where you can improve by 1%. It could be your work, it could be your studies, it could be your health, it could be anything. Now, once you identify it, break that into individual segments, that what could be the step that I can attain to do it better. Now, once you have identified and set your goals, remain consistent to those and track your progress on a regular basis. So if let's say it's on learning, read one page, watch a 5-minute video, and possibly that would increase your vocabulary significantly. You won't know at the end what paid you off in your real examination, but these small steps actually join to make a comprehensive success in your life. Now, the same works for your finances, the same works for your mindset. So 1 minute of positive thought would lead you to a better human, in contrast to a 1 minute of negative thought. So whatever you focus on, it's important that you make those positive things a lasting habit for yourself. Focus and work towards being a better self every day, and that would indeed have a compounding impact, as we discussed. Thanks for joining in. Remain consistent, remain working.